All right, but much of infighting within the India alliance is plaguing Kerala because political war of words has now erupted within the India bloc once again. And after Rahul Gandhi alleged a CPM-BJP nexus in Kerala, Kerala's CM Pinarayi Vijayan has hit back. He says that Rahul earlier had a name, and by such accusations, he's only making everyone feel that there is no change in him. Clearly, the Kerala Chief Minister was referring to Rahul Gandhi's nickname or the moniker Pappu. He also said that Rahul Gandhi must not feel that CPM is scared of jails, as it was Rahul Gandhi's grandmother who had put CPM members in jail during the 70s. Responding to these allegations, Priyanka Gandhi had also attacked Vijayan. She in fact has said that why isn't the CM attacking BJP instead of his allies? Remember, Rahul Gandhi had been frequently accusing Pinarayi Vijayan of not attacking the Bharatiya Janata Party but attacking the Congress and him personally during the election campaigns in Kerala. Now today, Prime Minister Modi has also taken a dig at the opposition unity and the war of words between CM Vijayan and Rahul Gandhi, saying that even he has never used such language against Rahul Gandhi. Listen in.
के अलायंस के साथी भी एक दूसरे को गालियां दे रहे हैं। कल आपने उनके एक साथी केरल के मुख्यमंत्री ने जो शाहजादे को सुनाई है, मैं भी कभी ऐसी भाषा नहीं बोलता हूं, ऐसी भाषा बोली है उन्होंने साथी को। ये हाल है उनका।
Ma'am, Kerala Chief Minister has been making some comments against your brother.
So my question is, why is he not attacking the BJP?
Thank you, please. Don't scare them by saying jail because Kerala CM has been saying that don't scare them by saying jail for the 1.5
Don't scare who? Is he scared? Because we are not.
Don't scare him by saying jail.
Who? Scare who?
Kerala CM. He said during emergency days, your grandmother had put him in jail for 1.5 years.
Okay, so what do you want me to comment on?
He's saying that don't scare. He's telling Rahul Gandhi don't scare him.
Rahul is not scared of anything. He's not scared of jail. He's not scared of anything. And I think the whole country knows that and has seen it.
Kerala CM has taken a jibe on Rahul Gandhi, saying that you should actually change the way you say things because we remember the names you used to be called by. So this indirectly a very big jibe on Rahul Gandhi looking at the current elections. How do you see this kind of war of words is going to pan out?
So it's not surprising. The reason being that there are two principal parties, left and Congress allies. So the fight is between them. It's a friendly fight. BJP is not there in the scene. So it's a natural, I think. And there is no need to be to harbor any bitterness or to make a comment about it. Left and Congress are together at national level, but state level not there because we don't want to make BJP as a principal position there. Major threat to the nation is to protect the constitution, protect the employment, protect the democracy. They are aware of it, we are aware of it.
ये जो इंडी अलायंस है, इसमें इतना कंफ्यूजन है, ये पता ही नहीं चलता है कि ये करना क्या चाहते हैं। वायनाड में देखिए, एनी राजा लेफ्ट की प्रत्याशी हैं, राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ लड़ रही हैं और कह रही हैं कि अगर राहुल गांधी में दम होता तो बनारस में जाके लड़ता। पिनरई विजयन कह रहे हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी हमसे ही लड़ रही है। यही कहूंगा, सारे भ्रष्टाचारी एक साथ आए हैं, लेकिन उन सब पर ईमानदार प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी भारी पड़ रहा है।
One side, Mr. Pinarayi Ravi has reminded Mr. Rahul Gandhi that she jailed the CPM leaders, including Mr. Pinarayi Ravi, during emergency. That is Rahul Gandhi's grandmother. Now, in many places, the Congress and the CPM are likely to join hands, especially in Telangana and other places in South India. But the irony is that in Tamil Nadu, in Kerala, the CPM and the Congress are fighting against each other. So this type of hypocrisy